They're nature's vampires. So they do suck blood. They live on blood primarily. There are a few mosquitoes out there that don't feed on blood, but for the most part, a lot of them do. So you can think of them as sort of nature's vampires. My name is Jason Rasgon. I'm the Dorothy, Foehr, Huck, and Lloyd Huck Endowed Chair in Disease Epidemiology and Biotechnology. There are many different kinds of arthropods, not just mosquitoes and ticks, but other ones too, that take blood meals usually from vertebrate hosts, so humans, animals. And they normally will do this, for the most part, for reproduction. And people hate them, number one, because they do transmit pathogens. Also because their bites can be incredibly irritating. When a mosquito is biting you, they're not just sucking up blood, they're also injecting saliva and other compounds, either as anesthetics so that you don't feel them, or as anticoagulants to keep the blood flowing. And so people have allergic reactions to that. That's itchy, it's painful, and people obviously don't like that. They can look spooky or scary, especially if you're not used to looking at arthropods or insects. They've got big eyes, they've got a really long proboscis as a mouth part. That can be very kind of sketchy looking, scary looking. But to me, they're beautiful creatures. Some mosquitoes can be incredibly beautiful. Ticks are responsible for the majority of vector-borne pathogen transmission in the United States. Much more than mosquitoes, order of magnitude more than mosquitoes. It's primarily bacterial diseases such as Lyme disease, of which this is a hot spot in the US here in central Pennsylvania. By studying these organisms that transmit pathogens and by understanding how they transmit pathogens, we're looking for ways to basically stop their ability to transmit pathogens. So if we can stop ticks from being able to transmit Lyme disease or stop mosquitoes from being able to transmit malaria or dengue virus, we can have very significant impacts on the public health of human populations.
And they like water, they like sugar. All different species are trying to come in. I've seen it happen where you come in and all. Four lines, four cups. I know. Small dissections. Yeah, we just have to give them a work. One week. Yeah. She's not. She's not going to